Hello everyone, greetings. So we have Matza season approaching very, very soon. For those of you who celebrate Passover, you're going to be using this a lot. So there's a few recipes that I'd like to share with you. And even if you don't celebrate Passover, it's a wonderful thing to have and to make. It's delicious. So let's get started. So what we're going to do is we're going to make matza babkas, as we call them, and we're going to make a few versions of them. We're going to make one plain one and one we're going to make with veggies. And in another episode, I will show you how to make two versions of a sweet type of matza babka. So let's get started. Okay, since I'm making two versions of this dish, we're going to separate the matza box in half. So I'm gonna use 7 sheets for the first one. So we take 7 sheets and we have to break them into a bowl just using your hands. So nothing special, just break it into little pieces. Okay, so this is how I do it. Pieces are approximately this big. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna pour hot boiling water over the pieces to moisten them. Okay, so this is about how it should be. You see how it's soft now? The water absorbed into the matzahs. I'm gonna actually add the spices before I add the egg because I don't want the egg to scramble. It is still warm in here. So I'm just gonna salt this a little bit. We're gonna add some parsley flakes for color and flavor. Okay, we're gonna add some, let's do some onion powder. We can do some pepper, we can do some turmeric. Basically add all the spices that you like. Okay, we're gonna mix that in, and then we're gonna add our egg. Okay, we're adding our egg. We're gonna mix this in, and we're about done. We're gonna grease the pan and put it in the oven. Okay, this is how it looks. It's going right into the oven at about 365, and we're gonna bake that right up. Okay, so for the veggie version, we repeat the same thing. We prepare the matza, and then we top it off with some veggies. I'm using peppers, cauliflower, tomatoes. We're gonna mix that right in as well. Put it on a greased baking pan and in the oven once more. Okay, so something like this, and you could top it off with a little bit of oil as well, just so it doesn't come out dry, just over the top, and into the oven it's gonna go. Okay, our yummies are ready. I'm gonna cut them into pieces and I'm gonna show you how I serve them. Okay, so here we go. So this is the vegetable one. It's fuller, it's fluffier, it has all this goodness inside. This one is our plain one, but it's not less delicious. There's a few ways to serve these things. What I'm gonna do right now is I have some lox. So I have smoked salmon. I'm just gonna take a slice and put it over the top. I have a yellow tomato, which is awesome. Okay. The other one can be served with some hummus. We've made our own. Do a dollop of hummus on the side. Or also some lox and tomato. Get creative. Could be used instead of bread. Really, really appetizing. All right, enjoy.